Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make wavy text in Canva. So if this is something that you want to be able to make, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what we're going to do first is to just go into Canva and then just open up a random project that you have. For example, this one right here. And then I'm just going to click on text right here. Then I'm going to just click on add a text box. Actually, we can click right here instead, and you can just click on whatever you want. Of course, there's a lot of things in here that you can try if you want to, but I'm just going to take this one as an example. So now to be able to actually make this a wavy text, I'm just going to select this one right here, click on effects, and then I'm going to click on curve right here. And then I'm just going to have it, let's say 20, I think, or actually 20 is way too little, sorry. We can have it more like 31. So this one right here, it curves like this. So now I'm just going to copy this one, paste a new text, and now I'm going to select this one, click on effects right here, scroll down, and I'm actually going to curve this one like this instead. I think this is, oh, this one 31, so I'm going to make this one 31 as well. So as you can see, if I just now actually add it right here, so this looks wavy as you can see, and you can keep going as much as you want basically. So you can like add another one that goes like this maybe, and you can play around. You can have different colors, of course, for each one of these ones. And yeah, basically this is exactly how to do this.